good opportunity to share knowledge, the experience, and to put together our capability to support the stakeholders in terms of the loss prevention, environmental protection in our field.
Okay, My Transfo is an excellent conference bringing together all the distinct parts of the industry, from fluid manufacturers, OEMs, utilities, end users, etc.
Well, the advantages of natural ester liquids, we started testing it in the lab and became very interested in its properties on the way it interacts with cellulose insulation.
But honestly, another relevant aspect is the ability of a vegetable ester in combination with some specific type of paper to give an increase of load, maintaining the same size of a transformer.
All organizations in an asset management world needs to understand the value that an asset health index can bring in streamlining work and justifying work.
It's also been proven that natural esters can enhance the lifetime of cellulose paper that's wound around the electrical part inside the transformer.
It represents absolutely the more strategical and relevant and technically relevant event for transformer user and transformer producer in Italy, but probably one of the best in Europe and in the world.
My Transformer is a very pleasant event to attend. There are many people in a collegial atmosphere discussing oil, discussing transformers, discussing the industry.
I would highly recommend My Transfo to anyone who's interested in learning about technology for electrical equipment, not only transformers.